What's up everyone, it's Jason here from Red Bee Labs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out when new videos are released. Today we're going to unbox the Nestxyalesmartlock and here we go. Okay guys, let's get this all nice and unboxed. Let me see, here goes my trusted unboxing knife. Okay, pull that up. Let's get started. Saying we need the Nest app. We need to add the Nest Connect first and then install. So these are just little quick instructions. Okay, I guess we'll go here first. And I think this is the Nest Connect. Set up your Nest app. Yes, this is the Nest Connect. The Connect will allow you to access your lock and control it remotely. So just some instructions in the warranty. Actually, pull it out of the box. It's just a small little thing you plug into the wall. All right, let's put that over there. I'm guessing this is we can pull the Nest out of here. You use that. There we go. Close up. Take that off screen for a second. Move this over here and put the Nest back. All right. So, how do we get you open? There we go. Yale. Okay. So this is just maybe some documentation about how to install. Oh, they install manual. Install and programming. Looks difficult, but they said it was pretty simple to put in. And I've had an August lock before, so I think I'll be okay to get this going. I'll take y'all through the whole step in the review and the installation video that is coming soon. All right. Slide this up. Here is the keypad, all the wires, so nice and heavy. Can't wait to get you installed. All right. Okay, you need my unboxing knife again. All right. I'm guessing this is just the plates and things you're gonna need to install it. Screws, bolt, they bolt. Oh, very nice, very nice. They come with batteries. I like it. Okay. And this is the part that goes on the inside. It's the whole. Let's see. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. I think that's everything in the box. So let me slide this over here. Okay. Bring this back over here. And this one, guys, is the oil rub bronze. I thought it would match my door a little more. They didn't have black, and I didn't want to just do like silver to make it stand out. But guys, that was the review. That was the unboxing. The review is coming soon. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing installed and recorded and try to get that video out to you guys as soon as possible. Before I go, I'd really appreciate it if you'd go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment or two. It really helps me and the channel out, and it's just a nice thing to do. As always, this is Jason, and I will catch you in the next one.